Welcome to Mastering Energy Metering, a journey from the older analog systems to the advanced digital technologies of today. This video will cover the physics, technology, and future of power measurement, helping us master energy metering. We begin with Module 1, Fundamentals, to understand the invisible flow that underpins all energy measurement. It is essential to distinguish between power P, which is the instantaneous rate of flow, like a speedometer measured in watts, and energy E, the total work done over time, like an odometer. The billing unit for energy is the kilowatt hour, or kWh. 1 unit of energy is consumed by a 1,000-watt heater running for 1 hour. Next, in Module 2, we dive into the analog era, focusing on the historical electromechanical induction meters. Analog meters spin using magnetic torque and eddy currents to rotate an aluminum disc. A braking magnet controls the disc speed for accurate energy measurement. Module 3 introduces the digital revolution, shifting our focus to static and electronic metering technologies. Electronic meters achieve precision through solid-state sampling, measuring voltage and current at high speeds. This allows for advanced accuracy and complex data logging capabilities. Compared to analog, digital meters offer no moving parts, higher accuracy classes, advanced tamper resistance, and remote data communication through smart systems. Smart metering, or AMI, enables two-way communication with utilities, provides consumers with real-time data, and sends immediate outage alerts. In the prosumer era, energy meters facilitate net metering, measuring both grid consumption and energy exported to the grid, determining the final bill.